Direct transfers between these two digital wallets commonly incur fees, but there are smart workarounds we'll explore to main approaches using third-party services and leveraging promotional offers. First, let's talk about third-party services. Many reputable money transfer platforms act as intermediaries. They often have lower fees, or even waive them for first-time users or specific transfer corridors. Popular options to research include platforms like Remitly, WorldRemit, or Wise. You'll typically link your Alipay as the funding source, then select GCash as the payout method. The process is straightforward. Create an account, verify your identity, choose the amount, and ensure you pick the no fee or lowest fee option available. Always compare their exchange rates rigorously, as a less favorable rate can negate any fee savings. Second, keep an eye out for promotional offers directly from Alipay or GCash, or even from banks collaborating with them. These can include zero-fee transfer campaigns for a limited time or specific transaction types. Subscribing to their newsletters or checking their in-app promotion section regularly is key. Remember, the key to saving money is diligence. Always compare the total cost, including exchange rates and any hidden fees. What looks like a free transfer can sometimes have a less competitive exchange rate. Built in. Prioritize platforms with transparent pricing. By exploring these third-party services and staying vigilant for promotional waivers, you can effectively transfer funds from Alipay to GCash without incurring those unwanted transaction fees.